Welcome. If you're a Pinterest user who loves getting the latest inspiration delivered right to your inbox, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable Pinterest email notifications for suggested pins based on your activity, so you never miss a great idea again. And don't worry, this guide covers the latest steps for the updated Pinterest app. Let's get started. First, unlock your device and open the Pinterest app. Once you're in, look for your profile. It's usually represented by a little icon at the top of the screen. Tap on your profile picture to access your personal settings and preferences. From your profile, you'll see a bunch of options. We're interested in notifications, so go ahead and tap on the word notification. Here, Pinterest gives you control over all kinds of alerts, from new followers to activity on your boards. But today we're focusing on pin picks, which are those awesome suggestions Pinterest sends based on your interests and activity. Scroll down until you see the section called Pin Picks. Underneath, you'll find Pins Picked for You. This is where Pinterest gathers recommendations tailored just for you, and it's also where you can manage your email notifications for these suggestions. Tap on Pins Picked for You. You'll see a list of notification options, but there's one in particular we want: the email toggle. Look for the option that says email and make sure it's toggled on. If it's already on, you're all set. If not, just tap the switch to turn it on. That's it. Now, Pinterest will send you regular emails with pins chosen just for you, based on what you love and interact with. And that's all there is to it. With these quick steps, you'll start receiving inspiring pins directly in your inbox. It's a fantastic way to keep your creative ideas fresh and discover new content you might have missed otherwise. Thanks for watching and happy pinning. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your favorite apps and platforms.